Alright, welcome back. So exciting times because this is the video where you will be actually earning your very first yield on your Cbxrp just by lending it out and letting others borrow against the whole Cbxrp pool. You can be earning the yields. Okay, this is the easiest, the simplest method. So for that, we will be utilizing the Moonwell platform. Okay, so you go to the moonwell.fi, moonwell.fi. This is the official link. Double and even triple check it always. And then you can go through the website. You can go ahead and see what's happening here. I don't have to do that myself. I've been using Moonwell for years. So we can go to the Moonwell and now we can click on the launch app. Okay, this will send us to the moonwell.fi/discover, and this is the whole thing. As you can see, it's already saying do more with your XRP and bring your XRP to base and put it to work on Moonwell. But before we do all of that, let me actually show you how to get started. So to get started, you will always have to connect your wallet to one of these platform protocols. So Moonwell is one of them. So the way you do that, you go to the top right corner, usually click on connect wallet, and it will ask you which wallet you want to connect. We do have Rabi wallet installed already. As you can see, it sees that automatically. So we want to accept the terms first of all, and then click on the Rabi wallet. It will ask us to confirm that we are connecting this wallet. Click on connect, and as you can see, your wallet address will become visible here, and now you are connected, so you are able to do all the things. Now you can see the discover page, etc. You can walk through all of this yourself, but the most important element will be going to the markets, and here you see all the available assets to supply and borrow. In this case, I'm not going to bother you showing how to borrow or anything. I'm just going to show you how to supply the assets. So you want to scroll down to find Cbxrp. As you can see, Cbxrp is right here. You want to click on it and it will open up Cbxrp market. So as you can see, 2.7 XRPs are supplied right here. The current utilization rate of the pool is 50%, so pretty much halfway of all the money in this pool are borrowed. So the utilization rate is pretty low in this comparison, so that interest that you will get paid will also be pretty low in this case. And a collateral factor is 74%, so they give you up to 74% to borrow against your deposit. Okay, as you can see right here. And now, as you can see, we click on supply button. It's by default right here, and available to supply, we will see 51 Cbxrps because that's how much XRP we have in our wallet. As you can see, 51 XRP. So you can supply and you will be earning 2.4% API, which is not a lot, I know. But as I said before, this number is dynamic and it always changes based on this utilization rate of the pool. The higher the utilization rate is, the higher the supply API will be. At one point, about 3 weeks ago, right here, we had a number of about 17%, 17 to 20%. Just by supplying your XRPs without doing anything else. So, well, sometimes it's less, sometimes it's more. Currently, the market isn't at the best conditions. It's not the highest volumes, it's not the highest movement across the DeFi space. So all of the APIs and yields are a bit lower, but it's still something. And as I like to say, it's still in and not out of your wallet, right? So, Cbxrp, we can supply 51 Cbxrps. Let's do the whole amount. So click on max. Now, just to give you a bit of a heads up, you always want to enable it as collateral first, because if in the future you want to borrow against your XRPs, which we will do, and I will show you how to do it safely, right? This needs to be enabled as collateral. And to be able to do that, the protocol, the Moonwell, needs to know that you are okay to use your XRPs as collateral. So in order to do that, you have to sign a transaction that confirms your decision, so to speak. So first of all, click on yes right here. It will ask you to enabling Cbxrp as collateral. Click on confirm, and you will be asked to sign a simple transaction that is not some sort of a payment, it's just a transaction. As you can see, no balance changes. Click on sign and confirm, and it will be successful, and you click on continue. Okay, so now as you can see, it's enabled as collateral, and now it shows yes. Just you want to do this beforehand, and that's it, just one time. Now we can click on max, and we can, or actually let's leave it just at 51, and we can click on supply. So before supplying, you must first give permission for Moonwell to deposit your token. So you have to approve on your wallet that you are okay for Moonwell to deploy capital into this pool. So the first transaction will be approve supply, which will also show no balance changes. Click on sign and confirm. And then the second transaction will be confirm the supply. So click on confirm the supply. And now you will be seeing that we are sending 51 XRPs to Moonwell. And supply is successful. That's it. Click on continue, and now you will see that you have supplied 51 XRPs, and which is equal to 105 pretty much dollars at the moment. You will already immediately see that available to borrow is $77. So you are able to borrow in any other coin that is supported by Moonwell. You're able to borrow against your deposit, but it's not about that on this video. So that's it. Your XRPs are now earning you this 2.5%, which is dynamic. It's always changing more or less. Okay, it's always changing. So at the moment it's 2.5%. I wish I could show you when it's 17% or 25%. It can go as high as that as well if everyone is borrowing against their XRPs. So, but the fact is that your money is now working. These XRPs are now working, and you can go to portfolio tab right here on Moonwell, and you will see your position. And if you scroll down below a little bit, you will see the rewards. Okay, so right here, your additional XRPs will accumulate because you are getting paid this amount, those 2% or something, in XRPs, right? So you can actually claim your rewards right here, okay? And click on claim all rewards, and you can claim those rewards. Simple as that. And just to make sure that I explained it correctly, you are getting paid those 2% in XRPs. The rewards part is the rewards, which is not the supply API. So what I wanted to say, maybe I misexplained that. The rewards here will be additional rewards in Moonwell coins. So you will see them here. You will be able to claim the Moonwell coins as a reward, additional reward, by for holding your positions here. And the base API for supplying Cbxrps are actually accumulating within the amount that you deposited. Okay, so when you are withdrawing the money from the pool, you will be getting a bit more XRPs, so to speak. So they are included in the general amount that you supplied, and the rewards right here will be available to claim in Moonwell coins as a bonus, because on some pools Moonwell is paying a bit more rewards just to incentivize people to use the platform. Okay, but now that's it, your Cbxrp is working, and that's it. You're able to leave it there. If you have a very big capital, even those 2% will be good enough for you probably, but usually that percentage point is much higher when the market is a bit more active. Now, if you wish to withdraw the money from the pool and you no longer want to actually keep your Cbxrp in this pool, you can do that at any time. So once again, you can go to markets or portfolio and you will see your open position, and you can always click on withdraw, as you can see right here. If you don't have any borrowed capital, no debt, so to speak, you can withdraw the full amount. If you have any borrowed capital, you can withdraw as much as it is safe to withdraw without triggering the liquidation event. So I don't recommend that, and I will explain it on the borrowing video. But at the moment, you supplied some money and you can always withdraw it by clicking withdraw, and as you can see, available to withdraw is 51 XRPs, the same as we deposited. We can click on the max, click on withdraw, click on confirm withdraw, and we will confirm the transaction that we are getting our 51 XRP back. Click on sign and confirm, and as you can see, it's successful. Click on continue, and now if we go to portfolio, we will see that in a second we don't have anything, and we have our Cbxrp, as you can see, 51 XRPs back to the wallet. For any reason this shows a wrong number, sometimes it happens, it will refresh itself soon. So 51 XRPs back to the wallet. Okay, so as I said before, you are in a full control of managing these kind of things. All of the DeFi protocols are permissionless, so you are in control. You can deploy right now, you can withdraw tomorrow or the next minute or the next year. It's totally up to you. So hopefully it's all clear how to start earning your first yield on Cbxrp just by supplying it on Moonwell. And now we will move over to the next video where I will show you how to start earning a bit of API as well by supplying capital on the Flare FXRP. So thank you, and I will see you on the next video.